What up, YouTube? Top of the morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you're watching this. Thanks so much for joining us here today for this amazing video on making money online. Um, just doing some housekeeping. Just go ahead, remember to hit the subscribe button, help the channel out. It's growing. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think. Share this video with friends, family members, people you know, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, fiance, husband, cousin, uncle, aunt, everybody. There's always somebody looking for a leg up, and especially in this climate that we're in, work climate where everything is now switching to remote work. There are a lot of people who have lost their jobs or who would want something safer. There are many people who are still going out and working and wishing they could work from home. This could be an opportunity for them pursuing this lead, or if you check the links in the description below, they take you to ways, courses, some free, some resources like books and courses and so forth that teach you how to earn money online for minimal investment in yourself, that help you scale your business if you already have one, or completely build up a brand new business from scratch, and helping you get on your way to making money online relatively quickly. In some cases it's within just a couple days. So check those links in the description below and let's get into it today. Today, our money making way is a paid per hour job that's available at a company called Brandwatch. Now, if you've never heard of them, that's okay. Brandwatch is a tech company that allows you to understand the behavioral patterns of other competing brands and even consumers. It's the #1 digital consumer intelligence platform around. Okay? So what you'll be doing, or what they do, is they track what industry leaders do, and then they capture that information and they can put those in report form to help you know what's happening, how brands are performing, what they're doing, what the buyer pattern is like, stuff like that. Okay, so they've been used by a lot of major brands in the world like Unilever, Sky, Delta, Monster, Havas, Nestle, just to name a few. Okay, so react to every consumer trend, find new market opportunities, get better results and return on investment. Okay, even the Virgin Group uses it to get better audience engagement. Great company from what I can read, from what I've researched. But the lead that we're actually going to be talking about is called a customer support specialist. Now, from what research I've done, it should pay roughly $27 per hour. They are looking for people from the United States, and you can simply apply just by clicking the link in this button here. There's also a link in the description below if you want to just click that after the video ends. But when you go on the site, the button to apply is here. Alright, so let's just get into the description real quick. So Brandwatch is the global leader in social and digital consumer intelligence, working with the biggest brands and most admired agencies worldwide, which roughly is 39 of the Fortune 100 clients. So that's how many they work with. Recently named a leader in the Forrester Wave, we build smart software solutions that help capture, understand, and share insights from millions of conversations across the web and beyond. Home to over 500 people worldwide with offices in 10 locations, Brandwatch is a place that motivates and supports its staff to find answers to new problems in an ever-changing social and digital world. We are looking for a smart and enthusiastic customer support specialist, and that's you, to join their customer support team in the US. We're open to remote employees for this position. As a main point of contact for our customers, team members in this role will provide high-level technical assistance for our products but also gather and communicate important information regarding customer challenges. The role involves working closely and collaboratively with the engineering and customer success teams to provide our customers with the best possible user experience when working with our products. So your responsibilities will be to answer customer questions, accommodating and adapting answers to a wide range of customer skill levels. Troubleshoot a variety of technical issues in powerful SaaS platforms, so that's software as a service platforms, that's what SaaS means. Fixing issues for customers or escalating to engineering where needed. Explain and educate customers on product functionality and refer them to relevant documentation. Keep customers regularly updated throughout the investigation of issues. Work and correspond effectively within the larger Brandwatch team. Escalate suggestions on new features to the product team on behalf of your customers. Assist in the creation and maintenance of technical documentation. Now, the ideal candidate will have fluent English language skills, written and oral, experience of working in a fast-paced customer support environment, experience replying to and resolving customer issues over email, so no phones, no talking over the phone involved. Excellent written and oral communication. Creative, efficient problem-solving skills, the ability to quickly learn and understand new technologies, a positive self-starter attitude with good organization and attention to detail. Flexible to work outside of standard business hours where required. Experience working remotely in a SaaS customer support environment. And it will be nice to have experience using Zendesk, and Jira or similar ticketing software. Now, they offer flexible and remote working, a competitive benefits package, an extensive people development program, including LinkedIn Learning for every employee and in-house courses such as our Brandwatch Leadership Development Program, and community-focused groups such as our Diversity and Inclusion and Green Committees. Now, in working at Brandwatch, their values are about being authentic, bold, and creative, and they believe these values are best embodied by enabling people to do their best work in an environment that works for them. So for you, they create an environment that works for you. Whether fully remote, within one of our global offices, or a combination of the two, we have the tools and resources to make working to these values both possible and enjoyable. Okay, and if this is not a role you're interested in, there are a ton of other openings that you can check by clicking that link. You can share it with friends, family members, on your social media. It sounds like a great position to join if you like tech stuff. If you want to find something to help you while you get out of a rut and you're tech savvy, this sounds like a great position to start with. But if you are more entrepreneurial and you want to start your own thing with a simple business that's easy to start, it's very simple to start up. You just need the courage to do so and invest in yourself. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'd really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share with your friends, family members, co-workers, everybody who's looking to make money online and not physically in an office, or anyone who's looking to start their own online business and crush it in the online space. Thanks so much for all your time, and this is the Internet Income Ninja. Continue to stay safe, continue to be happy, get up once in a while, exercise even though you're working from home, stretch, go outside, sit in the shade, feel the breeze, look at the sunshine, play with our dogs, have fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.